is gray wolf. I added some silver mica to some of the cracks when I was sealing them. The section down here is maple and beech. Brighter rings are black cherry. The rest is maple. And this blue is my favorite blue of all the blues I've ever done. And I'll never be able to reproduce it because I made it out of about 6 or 8 different batches of different blues that I had used, different blends, and I had resin I didn't want to throw away, so I put it all together, and this grayish blue color is what came out of it, and I absolutely adore it. These sections right here are where the wood was not eroded enough to absorb the dye. There's all of this spalted wood stabilized. When I put the resin in there, I add some dye to it. Anyhow, that's why some of these sections like that retain color. Better taking here, this is Purple Heart shaft. Love the splash of color on the color. There's maple shaft. A lot going on to look at on this